Web application development company is the term that people use to describe company that specializes in designing and coding computer applications that run online. As technology is moving forward, more and more local computer applications or programs that run locally are now moving online. The term website and web application are interchangeable. Website is often much less programming intensive or less complicated or database-driven web application. Another way of saying is that web application is more of functional and logic intensive while a website is more for displaying information-based contents. You can use services like Wix or WordPress to build a website, but you can't build web applications with these tools. A typical web application team consists of the project manager to manage the project, the software engineer to gather and define requirement specifications, a coder or programmer, a designer and a network admin. Some project consists of many designers and coders as well as multiple project managers. The software development process at Merce or at Digital Marketing Solutions consists of the following phases. 1. Planning. As you have heard it before, failing to plan is planning to fail. This is a very critical step. It's all about time and money. Sometimes you can put more money to the project but you just can stretch the time or making it 25 hours a day. Putting more staff into the project to shorten the time or to meet the deadline sometime is not the solution. 2. Analysis. Technical analysis of which determines the technical feasibility, user requirements analysis of which examine all the user's use cases, system requirements analysis which examine more of the admin or backend's use cases, business analysis of which examine the profitability of the project, risk analysis of which examine the risks of the project and how to avoid those risks, and there are many more. If this phase is done wrong, then the project is most likely to fail one way or the other. 3. Design. Putting the concepts, logics, flowcharts, diagrams and all the requirements into a presentation layer or GUI, graphical user interface. 4. Coding. Converting those static designs into functional features HTML codes. This is often the most labor-intensive and the most expensive phase. It requires not only coding ability but also a deep understanding of the whole overall system functionalities and processes. It requires a full understanding of the server network and database structures. Basically the entire internal organs of the whole system and how each part works with others. 5. Testing. Testing consists of many phases. Code test by examining the quality and documentation of the codes, lab test which exam by the developer's team, beta testing, end users testing, system users testing, and public users testing. 6. Training. Too often a system is as good as people know how to use it. So training end users to use it correctly is a big part of the process. 7. Support. No matter how well the system was created and how perfect it was, there will always be requirements for technical support. The day when a website or a web application that is no longer needing technical support is when the business is dead or closed. I hope that this article or video has helped you somewhat in answering the question of what services are included in Merce's web application development. If you have any questions, please contact Digital Marketing Solutions' e-commerce solutions.